What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of All Things Mo L. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is going to be all about deep conditioning, and I'm actually going to be trying a deep conditioner cocktail. Now, I don't know about some of you guys, but sometimes, especially back in the day before I really started doing like a lot of product reviews, I used to love to cocktail my deep conditioners. I would start off with a deep conditioner, add a lot of oils, add some honey, just add other deep conditioners, and I just would like to make a concoction to deep condition. And I love doing that. And I kind of stopped that once I started doing a lot of product reviews because I wanted to try products just on their own. Now, this particular cocktail was inspired by one of my boos on Instagram. His name is Xavier. His Instagram handle is The Great Xavier. If you are not following him, you are doing yourself a great disservice because he knows so much about natural hair and natural hair products specifically. He has beautiful hair himself. He's a model, so he's gorgeous. I don't know, I just really love following him and talking to him because he really knows a lot about hair products, what works for our kinky hair, what he doesn't think works, and he's just a wealth of information. And he is the sweetest little thing ever. I just really love him so much. So shout out to him. And I am actually going to be trying a cocktail today that he recommended a few days ago on his Instagram stories, and he just raved so much about this that I was like, you know what, I have both of these products, I have to try this cocktail out. So if you are interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But before we get into it, you already know what I'm going to say. Please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because those really help me out a lot. So the two products that I'm going to be cocktailing today are both from Camille Rose. Now, if you are not familiar with Camille Rose, it is a Black-owned natural hair care company, and they also have other things like soaps and skincare and stuff like that, but I have only really used their hair care. The two products that I'm going to be cocktailing today, I had in my collection. I've used both of these before, but I have not used them together. The products that I am referring to is the Camille Rose Buriti Nectar Repair Cholesterol Treatment, and this is an exotic blend for dry, brittle, and lifeless textured hair. This was a part of their Around the World collection that launched last year. I believe it was last year. Might have been the year before, but I'm pretty sure it was 2019. But they had this and two other deep conditioners as well as matching oils for all of the deep conditioners. So I've used this twice, and I really like this product by itself. But the product that I'm going to put on top of it that I feel like is just really going to elevate my deep conditioning experience is actually not even a deep conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner. And this one is their Honey Hydrate leave-in conditioner from their leave-in collection. I have used this a couple times. I love this because it is super hydrating, so thick, and it has wonderful ingredients. The first ingredient, first of all, is honey. So when it says Honey Hydrate, they really mean it, okay? It has olive fruit oil, castor oil, aloe leaf juice, bilberry fruit, sugar cane, sugar maple, sweet orange fruit, lemon fruit extract, caramel. And then an ingredient that I can't pronounce, optiphen, optiphen.
What?
Something, I don't know. So I'm going to be putting these together to see what kind of deep conditioning results I get. Now, if you guys don't know, deep conditioning is my favorite part of my hair routine. I don't know, I just really feel like deep conditioning is an essential step, and it is really vital in hair health, hair length retention, and all of that stuff. So I love deep conditioning. I'm super excited about this today. So instead of like putting one product in my hair first and putting the other product on top of it, what I think I want to do is just mix them both together in this little bowl so that the application process is a little easier for me. So we're going to be starting off on freshly washed hair, and in order to cleanse my hair today, I did use I don't know if you can see that, but this is Camille Rose's, one of their new cleansing milks, and this one is the Neroli Blossom that has cashew milk and orange blossom. I have reviewed all three of the cleansing milks, so if you haven't caught that video, I will leave it linked in the description box. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some of the cholesterol treatment into my bowl. You have a little mixing spoon, so I'm going to take about this much to start with. and that doesn't look like a lot, so I'm gonna put some more in there, another spoonful. And I am going to just pour the honey leave-in on top of it. Now this stuff is thick just like honey. So I'm gonna put about that much. And I'm not using any exact measurements, I'm just kind of eyeballing it, and I'm going to mix it and just see what the consistency looks like. Ooh, it look nice and creamy, Now this should be enough to do my entire head, but if it is not, I can always mix up a little more. So this is what my hair is looking like prior to applying the deep conditioner. I have not detangled my hair at all. Kind of want to see if this product, if this cocktail has slip. So I did bring my shower comb, and I'm just going to apply it and see if I'm able to detangle, because my hair has not been detangled. Whenever I put my deep conditioners in, I like to split the sections up just to make sure that the product is getting everywhere that I need it to get on all of my strands. So, and then I'll detangle this way as well. So as you can see, I'm not meeting a whole lot of resistance with my shower comb as I'm running it through my hair. So this product does have, or this combination I should say, does have a little bit of slip, so it's good. And then once I apply the product, I just like to twist it up just so that it could stay detangled while I move on to other sections. So I'm just going to do my entire head, and then I will come back and share my thoughts and my results. Okay y'all, so I have just finished applying that treatment to my entire head. I did use pretty much all of my mixture. I didn't have to mix any more up. So first impressions when I was applying the product, I did like the way it smelled. It smelled really nice. I like that the consistency wasn't very thick so that I could apply it, you know, fairly easy throughout my hair, and it did have slip. It allowed me to detangle with my fingers and also detangle with my shower comb as I was working the product in and moving section by section. So first impressions, I'm liking what I'm feeling so far. Like I always say though, you never really know how well a deep conditioner has worked until you rinse that deep conditioner out. So I am going to, first I'm going to sit under my dryer. Actually, I think I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer attachment for a few minutes just to allow the treatment to penetrate a little more. Then I will rinse it out and come back with my final results. So be right back. Okay y'all, I am back. I have just rinsed out the deep conditioner. Like I mentioned, I sat under my hooded dryer attachment, and I probably sat under that for like 15 minutes, not that long at all. But look at my hair. Like let's just look at the definition. I don't have any product in my hair right now. This is solely how my hair looks after that deep conditioner has been rinsed out. I mean, it feels very good. It feels, it's not like overly, like, you know how sometimes when you rinse out a deep conditioner, you can like feel residue on your fingers, like a film coating or something like that. Doesn't have that at all, but I can still feel the hydration in my hair. Like, it really feels good. Xavier, my friend, you have really put me on to something, because these two, match made in heaven. I'm in love with this combination. I'm definitely going to use this combination in the future. As far as where I purchased the product, I got this one from Sally Beauty, and I got the Honey Hydrate leave-in from Target. I cannot remember the exact prices of them, but I will leave links to both products down below, or I'll at least leave the price or something like that. But yeah, I am in love with this combination. I feel like I had a super duper extra deep conditioning session today, and I'm just very pleased with my results. So let me know if you guys are interested in trying that combination out. Let me know if you've tried it and I'm just late to the party. Like, you've already tried it, then let me know down in the comment section as well. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, make sure that you have subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.